Guys, there's 10 days left in the 25 days of Christmas vlog challenge. Vlog every day until Christmas, Vlogmas, whatever you want to call it. And I'm completely restructuring the prices of the giveaway only for the remaining 10 days of the 25 days of Christmas, Vlogmas, whatever it is. So make sure you guys hit the link in the description, enter the giveaway. You can win a bike, a lift kit, and $500 cash, all separately. So you have 3 different chances to win. Make sure you guys enter in the description below. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Drop the like button if you enjoy the content. I love you guys. Let's get this bread. Freaking raining again. I swear it rains it's rained every day except for maybe one, and that was like half a day for the last 2 weeks, and it's been the most frustrating thing. But your boy out here looking good with the rock lights. You know, I gotta pop out at the front of the building with the rock lights on. But I want to show some love to my Ram guys real quick. We just got this one finished up with some wheel lights today, and before we leave, I want to throw the Ram on the channel because I know you guys love to see the Rams in the videos. We got the Tundra sitting over there too for my Tundra people. Alvin, we're getting your wheels mounted up today. We got a 22x14 US mag, custom painted gold with the polished lip. Going on the old Chevy today. We're supposed to be finishing up the brake conversion kit on the rear today. We're gonna get it on the ground with our new wheels and tires. We gotta get brake lines run and then wheels and tires on it. We've already done the front wheel wood brake conversion and they're working on the rear currently. And I was super excited to see the kind of champagne tan goldish color with the gold wheels. I think it's gonna complement nice. But we'll see here in just a couple minutes. Look, you got the black wheel wood kit on the front. We've done a lot of work to this and I'll go over everything that we ended up doing to it before it leaves. But just to give you guys a little bit of an update, and I know that Alvin's gonna be watching and he's gonna be looking for an update as well. I had no idea this was up here. We were doing a balance and rotation on a F350, and then I look outside and I see this pull up, and I'm like, well, damn, I had no idea, to be honest. It looks like we got a striker lift with some American Force Nemesis, which is really cool. Got the striker lift. Striker's got a lift very similar to Poppy's. The American Force, I had to come out here and show some love. The striker lift, American Forces, quick in and out, rotate and balance, had to show some love. Great way to start the day off, though. Definitely a surprise today. Putting some rock lights on this big boy. Obviously we'll do a walk around before it leaves, but look at that freaking sweet peach of a truck right there. "12" Cognito with the 28s. Look at that hitch back there though. JTX wheels. That's freaking beautiful truck. Freaking beautiful. I really like that dark blue color. The whole lift kit's color match that dark blue color. All of your arms. I need to show you all these brownies that Christina made. They got little Andes mints on them. And they're absolutely fire. I've had about 12 of them. It's kind of a problem. I should probably stop. I'm not. They're really good though.
But it's almost like you really didn't even want to film this, but you're using the YouTube content to justify eating another chocolate. Like, well, I needed it for the content.
I've had like 7 or 8 of them.
Yeah, I needed it for the content, definitely. So there we go.
You want?
Yeah, well, I mean, just because you got the camera out and all.
They're good though.
I would say thanks, Christina, but she doesn't watch your videos, so.
No, she don't. I'm definitely gonna eat that last one. I'm just throwing it out there.
I do have the tire. It's not that size. You can just come in anytime. We do alignment for $89.
He's gonna do a burn around that thing. How many lights did you end up doing?
A lot. We got 2 in the grill, 2 in the front, 2 on the frame rails. Added 2 more to each wheel well, and then did rock light or wheel lights as well.
So what? 4 at each wheel well.
So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22.
22 rock lights.
Plus his 8 rock lights he already had.
Oh,
So you got 30 lights on here.
30 rock lights.
No, he got 30 lights in total.
30 lights in total.
26 rock lights.
Jeez.
24 rock lights and 2 strips.
24 rock lights and 2 strips and wheel lights. That's a lot. I might have to get the drone on this one today. Yeah, that's cool. The blue with it's cool. Trying to get in this thing is what's difficult though. Even with the steps. So much bigger than my truck. Look at the inside of the Denali. Got the brown leather though. The brown leather, baby. These trucks are so freaking nice. I go back and forth all the time whether I want to buy a new truck or not. And don't get me wrong, there's pros and cons to these new trucks and how technical they are. A lot of the inside features are super nice, but something about the older trucks to me, I couldn't get away from my 14 to 18. Something about it, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the 14 to 18 body styles better or the 19 to 22 body styles. We got the 2500 finished up. What did he say? 24 rock lights and 4 wheel lights, maybe something like that. I mean, honestly, it's something ridiculous, but I'm in love with this truck. I don't even really know where to start, to be honest with you. 28 by 16 JTX. It looks like the Melee. I'm pretty sure it's the same wheel that Brandon has. Absolutely love this wheel. Love the design and the cut of all the JTX wheels. I think JTX has one of the nicest wheels on the market right now. I love their branding, their designs, everything about JTX right now is just top notch. It's up there with American Force if you want my honest opinion. Got it on a 40, 16, 50, 28 fuel gripper tire. Looks like a 12-inch Cognito with the upper control arms. We've done a couple of these lift kits now, and I'm a huge fan of the Cognito lift kits. I love their front cross member as well. That cross design, super simple, super clean. One of my favorites, got the dual reservoir shocks up front, and I believe he's got in the rear as well. Love the Cognito torsion drop and front compression bars. The fact that it's all color matched just makes it 10 times better. Your front and rear cross members, all of your hardware, your spindles, control arms, drop down brackets, torsion bars, all of it is color matched. Got that beautiful torsion drop back here with the Cognito logo on it. Gotta have the rear traction bars color matched with the Cognito logo stamped on the side as well. Freaking beautiful. I think the only thing that this truck is missing is the color matched Gen Y in the back. But hey, Team Gen Y, I'm a big fan. Love the Gen Y hitches. Great quality, great product. Looks like he's got the smoked side markers as well. Color matched headlights on the front, color matched grill. We got lights in the grill now, color matched mirrors. We got the smoked out cab lights on top. It's a freaking beautiful, this is a $150,000 truck. 1000%. Let me know in the comments, drop a like. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out great.